Welcome to Lesson 5. We will be focusing on Chapter 8, Chapter 9, and Chapter 10, dealing with some new construction tools and text, multi-line text, and several other things that are covered in those chapters. Now you just want to practice each one of these as we go along. Make sure you have your AutoCAD program open, ready to go, and we'll see what we can learn that might be useful in your drawing commands. You'll notice on page 221, or the start of Chapter 8, you have the command called the offset tool. Now this is a really neat little tool that you'll find extremely handy, and we'll talk about it first. So let's go ahead and switch over to our AutoCAD screen, see what we can find here. Okay, the offset tool, what does it do? Well, let's start off by drawing a 6-unit line, or I will, and after I do this you can try it yourself. Maybe a 6-unit vertical line too, and maybe a circle of diameter 6. Those are always cool. Alright, now offset tool does just what it implies. It offsets one object with an identical copy to a specified distance. For example, let's say this 6 diameter circle, I want to create a circle inside it that is exactly 1 unit inside this circle. Okay, so let's demonstrate. Offset command is a quick button. You have a couple ways to do it. One is just the O key on your keyboard. Hit O and enter. And then it asks you for the distance that you want to offset. Well, as we said, 1 and enter. And it says select object to offset. Well, that would be the object in question. And that would be this big circle. And then here's the last and critical part. It asks you to specify which side, this side or this side, it wants the new circle to be placed. Do you want the outside or inside? And obviously, since we want the inside, we're going to come in here. Doesn't matter where, just somewhere in this area or to this side and click. And there it is. Now the offset command continues to run, so you can keep clicking and doing it again. You can click on this one and click to this side and it does it again. Let's try it again, just real fast. To activate the offset command, the easiest way to do it is just to hit the O key. Or, if you want the toolbar button, it's up on the Modify tool panel. Looks like a little, what I refer to as a submarine shape. It's real simple again though. Just hit O, enter, give it a value of how much you want to offset. We'll say 1. Again, enter. Then select the source object. That would be this one. Then click either to this side or this side of where you want to go. This time we'll put it on the outside. And click, and there it is. If I wanted to continue on, I can hit it again and just keep clicking and keep offsetting it 1 each time. So it's a real quick and easy tool. Go ahead, give it a try, and see how you do. Create a circle, 6 diameter or 6 radius, it's up to you. And then use your offset command to create a circle on the inside, then create a circle on the outside. Give it a shot. Okay, our next version of the offset command will be used with basic lines. Hit O and enter on your keyboard. Select, this time say 0.75 will be our offset distance. Click it. Now it asks for the source object. There it is. Click on it and then select which side. We'll go to this side first, and there it is. I can come back, click on this one, and go to this side. Or click on this one and go this one. This one, this one. How about this way and this way? It will keep making an identical copy to whichever side you go to, which is really handy. You can offset again. Let's say this time we want to offset value of 5. Enter, select your source object, come to this side, and there it is. And there, maybe we'll do the circle again, and circle again. So try the offset command again real fast with a line or two, and see how it works for you. I'm sure you'll find this tool really handy. Pause the video. Alright, useful little command there. It's good to note that this command can be used with rectangles as well. Just about any object can be offset. Click it there, there. Perhaps a smaller value of 1. You can go to the inside. The other things you want to watch out for, and here's a good example, is when you're selecting, don't be far away. when it asks for which side to select to, because you see how it's wanting to snap to points. If it accidentally snaps to this one, or this one in case, nothing will happen. It'll just offset upon itself because the snap back to the same point it started from is a 0. So your best bet when you're offsetting is over-exaggerate which side you want to snap to, or you want it to offset to. You know, go way out or way in. That way it clearly knows which one it is. Otherwise, it may offset itself to 0 value. Okay, that's the offset tool. Check out your next video, and good luck.